all and welcome back. So today let's discuss about activity creation and scheduling in Odoo 14 CRM. So in order to schedule or plan activities in CRM, first of all we have to configure activity types. So just open CRM and you can find an option under configuration of CRM. Okay, so here we can create activity types. You can create new activity types or use the existing one in order to schedule plan activities. Okay, so here we have email, call, meeting, follow-up quotation, make quotation, call for demo, and you can see order, upsell, to do, reminder, uploading document. So when you open one, so if I open email, you can see the details related to that activity type, like name of the activity type and what action need to be performed. So if you don't want to perform in action, you can just select none. Or if you want to upload a document, you can choose this option. Then we can plan meetings, then set reminders, and you can also set a default user for your activity type. So for this email, I can set a default user, like I'm setting Michelle Admin. Then we can set a default summary. Then we can trigger next activity. That is, when you enable this option, we can set a default next activity. So when an activity is done, that is completed, after that automatically we can schedule a new activity. So here after email, we can set a default next activity. So call will be scheduled after completing, that is sending email. Then we can set a schedule date, like we can schedule it after validation date or after previous activity deadline. Okay, so I'm setting 5 days after previous activity deadline, and we can provide a default description for this activity type. Okay, so after configuring, creating activity types, we can schedule activities. So for that is we can schedule activities from our quotation and leads and all. Okay, now let's go back to our pipeline, opportunity pipeline. So you can schedule activities from this Kanban view, like by clicking on this, you can schedule activity, or from the list view, you can find option to schedule next activity. And when you open an opportunity or lead, here under the form you can find option to schedule activity. So we can schedule multiple activities. So from here, if I select my activity type email, okay, so you can see here it is assigned to default user that we have set inside this activity type email. And okay, we can set a due date here. So I'm setting February 16th as due date. Now let me schedule this email. Okay, so you can see one activity is planned, email, and you can also plan another activity. Okay, planning to do. You can click schedule. Okay, so for this opportunity, you can see two activities are scheduled. Okay, so if you can also mark if an activity is completed, if it is done. So you can see email is planned for tomorrow, and if it is completed, you can mark it as done, and you can click done and launch next. Okay, so for this cottage, you can see automatically an activity schedule that is called. So this activity we have set inside the activity type email as the default one, and you can see it will be due in 3 days. Okay, so from here we can again mark it as done if it is completed. Okay, so you can see there is only one activity remaining for this opportunity. So in the same way, from inside the form also, you can schedule activity. So that's all about activity creation and scheduling in Odoo 14 CRM.